AI in detecting disease, revolutionizing healthcare. Artificial intelligence (AI) has emerged as a game changer in the healthcare industry, particularly in disease detection. With advanced machine learning algorithms, AI is enabling early diagnosis, improving accuracy, and transforming the way medical professionals identify and treat diseases. From cancer detection to neurological disorders, AI is making healthcare more efficient and accessible. This article explores how AI is revolutionizing disease detection, its benefits, challenges, and future prospects. The role of AI in disease detection. AI is significantly improving disease detection by analyzing vast amounts of medical data, identifying patterns, and providing insights that might be missed by human doctors. It is being used in medical imaging, pathology, genomics, and wearable technology to detect diseases early and improve patient outcomes. 1. AI in medical imaging. Medical imaging is one of the most prominent areas where AI is making a difference. AI-powered algorithms analyze X-rays, MRIs, CT scans, and ultrasounds with incredible precision, often detecting abnormalities that radiologists might overlook. A. Cancer detection. AI is proving to be a powerful tool in detecting cancers such as breast, lung, and skin cancer. Machine learning models analyze mammograms to detect breast cancer at an early stage, improving survival rates. AI systems like Google's DeepMind and IBM Watson Health have demonstrated high accuracy in identifying lung cancer in CT scans and skin cancer in dermatological images. B. Cardiovascular diseases. AI-driven systems analyze echocardiograms and electrocardiograms (ECGs) to detect heart diseases. These models can predict heart attacks and arrhythmias, enabling timely intervention and reducing mortality rates. C. Neurological disorders. AI is also being used to detect neurological diseases such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, and multiple sclerosis. AI algorithms analyze brain scans to identify early signs of these conditions, allowing for early treatment and improved patient care. 2. AI in pathology and laboratory testing. Pathology plays a crucial role in diagnosing diseases, and AI is enhancing this process by automating the analysis of biopsy samples, blood tests, and other laboratory reports. A. AI in cancer pathology. AI-powered systems assist pathologists in analyzing tissue samples to detect cancer cells. These systems improve accuracy and speed, reducing the chances of misdiagnosis and helping doctors make informed treatment decisions. B. Infectious disease detection. AI is being used to detect infectious diseases such as tuberculosis, COVID-19, and malaria. AI models analyze blood samples, PCR tests, and imaging data to identify infections quickly and accurately. 3. AI in genomics and personalized medicine. Genomics is another area where AI is transforming disease detection. AI algorithms analyze genetic data to identify mutations associated with various diseases, paving the way for personalized medicine. A. Genetic disorder detection. AI helps in detecting genetic disorders such as cystic fibrosis, sickle cell anemia, and Down syndrome by analyzing DNA sequences and identifying mutations. B. Cancer genomics. AI models analyze genetic markers to predict an individual's risk of developing cancer, allowing for early screening and preventive measures. 4. AI in wearable technology for early detection. Wearable devices equipped with AI are playing a crucial role in monitoring health conditions and detecting diseases before symptoms appear. A. Continuous health monitoring. Smartwatches and fitness trackers use AI to monitor heart rate, blood pressure, glucose levels, and other vital signs. AI algorithms analyze this data to detect irregularities that may indicate underlying health issues. B. Early detection of chronic diseases. AI-powered wearables help in detecting conditions like diabetes and hypertension by analyzing real-time data and providing alerts for potential health risks. Benefits of AI in disease detection. 1. Early diagnosis and improved outcomes. AI enables early detection of diseases, increasing the chances of successful treatment and improving patient survival rates. Early diagnosis is crucial in conditions like cancer and cardiovascular diseases, where timely intervention can save lives. 2. Enhanced accuracy and reduced errors. AI minimizes human errors in diagnosing diseases by analyzing medical images and data with high precision. This reduces misdiagnosis and ensures that patients receive appropriate treatment. 3. Faster diagnosis and efficiency. AI automates the analysis of medical data, reducing the time required for diagnosis. This allows doctors to focus on patient care rather than spending hours reviewing test results. 4. Cost reduction in healthcare. AI-driven disease detection reduces healthcare costs by minimizing the need for expensive tests, hospital visits, and late-stage treatments. Early detection also prevents complications that may require costly interventions. 5. Accessibility to quality healthcare. AI-powered diagnostic tools enable remote healthcare, making quality medical services accessible to people in rural and underserved areas. Telemedicine platforms powered by AI allow patients to get accurate diagnoses without visiting hospitals. Challenges and limitations of AI in disease detection. 1. Data privacy and security concerns. AI relies on large datasets, including patient medical records, which raises concerns about data privacy and security. Ensuring compliance with data protection regulations is crucial for the ethical use of AI in healthcare. 2. Bias in AI algorithms. AI models can inherit biases from training data, leading to disparities in disease detection. If AI systems are trained on datasets that lack diversity, they may produce inaccurate results for certain populations. 3. Integration with existing healthcare systems. Integrating AI into traditional healthcare systems requires significant investment in technology and infrastructure. Many hospitals and clinics face challenges in adopting AI due to financial constraints and resistance to change. 4. Need for human oversight. AI should complement, not replace, human expertise. While AI enhances disease detection, doctors must verify AI-generated diagnoses to ensure accuracy and reliability. The future of AI in disease detection. The future of AI in disease detection is promising, with continuous advancements expected to further improve healthcare outcomes. 1. AI-driven precision medicine. AI will play a crucial role in developing personalized treatment plans based on a patient's genetic makeup, lifestyle, and medical history. This will enhance the effectiveness of treatments and reduce adverse effects. 2. AI in predictive healthcare. AI models will predict disease outbreaks and public health trends by analyzing real-time data from multiple sources. This will help governments and healthcare organizations prepare for epidemics and allocate resources efficiently. 3. AI-powered virtual healthcare assistants. AI chatbots and virtual assistants will assist patients in self-diagnosis and provide medical advice, reducing the burden on healthcare professionals and improving accessibility. 4. Collaboration between AI and human experts. The future of disease detection will involve seamless collaboration between AI and healthcare professionals. AI will assist doctors by providing insights, but human expertise will remain essential for decision-making. Conclusion. AI is revolutionizing disease detection, improving accuracy, efficiency, and accessibility in healthcare. From medical imaging and pathology to genomics and wearable technology, AI is enabling early diagnosis and better patient outcomes. However, challenges such as data privacy, bias, and integration with healthcare systems must be addressed for AI to reach its full potential. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on disease detection will reshape the future of healthcare, making it more proactive, personalized, and efficient. I've written a comprehensive article on AI in disease detection.